Hi, I'm Sunny with WTI. This cute little book, The Pigeon Wants a Puppy by Willems, is a hit. Now I got the hardback cover because I have little ones who like to read themselves, but it's held up pretty well, so I would really recommend the hardback cover. And as you can see, Pigeon wants a puppy. So it starts with his very long list of things I want, and as you go down the list, number 30 is he wants a puppy. And you get classic Willems. You get the sassy pigeon who always has a comeback for whatever it is that he wants, and in this story, it's a puppy. And the pigeon is just like kids. You know how they are. They want something, they want it. And he gets to the point where he says, I want a puppy right here and right now. But once all of his dreams finally come true and he gets a puppy, he realizes there are some things about the puppy that he wasn't prepared for. So it's a cute little book about Pigeon who was really adamant about what he wants, but he didn't really think about what he was going to get. So it's a nice lesson for kids. I enjoy reading this to my boys, and I'm sure you'll enjoy reading it to your children too. That's my point of view.